Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to create new contact on WhatsApp. So without wasting any time, let's get started by going to the App Store, and here in the App Store in the search bar type WhatsApp. Once you type WhatsApp, you have to wait a little bit, and here you can see WhatsApp Messenger. Simply update it to the latest version. So once you have updated this app to the latest version, what you can do is go to the WhatsApp. Here type your passcode and go to the contact which you want to save as a contact. So here we are. Now if you want to save this number as a contact, you need to simply tap on the create new contact. Simply tap on it, and here just type their name and phone number and everything, and once you do that, simply tap on done, and that's it. Now he is added as a contact. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.